Good morning. I hope you all had a good weekend. First of all, I'd just like to say well done to all of you who had internal exams last week. I've been really impressed by the reports I've heard from your teachers about the mature and sensible way that you conducted yourselves and the effort that you put in. There's no doubt that the independence that you've shown through this period of lockdown and the conscientious way in which you've approached your studies will help with both your exam results now and also with your study skills in the long run. I thought it might also be a good time to give you some feedback on the pupil survey that was conducted recently, and also on the Heads of School Committee meeting that we had last week. Firstly, I'd like to thank everyone for contributing. Giving your opinions enables us to continue to improve and deliver the best possible education experience for you. The first two questions on the survey centred around how positive you were feeling during the week and how well you felt you'd engaged with the learning since Easter. I was really pleased to see that the results yielded average scores of 3.3 to 4.3 out of 5 in each year group, which demonstrates the commitment that both you and your teachers have shown to our online learning. I was also pleased to see that, on average, the scores for how hard you were working, the amount of work you've received, and the level of challenge within that work was very similar to that which we would have received if you'd been in school. And so it's pleasing to note that the vast majority of our teachers have got that right. We also asked about the amount of support that you'd gained from your teachers when you needed advice, as well as the usefulness of that feedback that they'd given to you. Again, I was pleased to see the scores from each house range from 3.5 to 4.1 out of 5. Finally, we asked about the connection that you felt towards your house, and 5 out of our 8 houses scored over 4 out of 5 for this factor on average. The quizzes, dingbats, TikToks, baking, and all other elements such as chapels and house assemblies are clearly giving you all the chance to engage and feel connected to the rest of the house. Please do continue to pass on any more feedback that you have about what we're doing well or what we can improve in the future. I'm also very grateful to join the Heads of School Committee last Wednesday and to explore some of these comments in more detail. It was good to hear of the success of Wellbeing Wednesday and that you valued the slightly shorter lessons. There was a sense that pre-recorded lessons, although there were very few of them, were not as effective or interactive, and so we'll pass this on to the teachers. Additionally, you said that you'd prefer there to be more group work and presentations within your lessons, and this is also something that we will relay back to staff. One of the questions that came up a couple of times during the committee was about next term, and I think it's appropriate to address that here. We are planning for a full reopening of the school in September, but will obviously have to be guided by the government and other bodies as to exactly what that looks like. A lot of planning has been done already and will continue to be done, but whatever happens, we will do our best to ensure that the school is as safe as it can be. We've signed up to the Boarding Schools Association Covid-Safe Charter and also to the Safe Schools Initiative, which means that there are clear standards that we will abide by. Hand sanitizers are being put up around the school. Pupils and staff will be free to wear face masks should they wish. And we're actively planning for the return of our boarding pupils and any quarantine arrangements that might necessitate. There's no doubt that much will change in terms of the regulations to do with social distancing, guidelines about how schools reopen, and restrictions on travel. But we're keeping abreast of all of these changes and will ensure that we include it in our planning. Ultimately, our aim is to still provide you with all the best of St Lawrence education while still keeping you as safe as we possibly can. I hope that you enjoy the rest of the week and good luck with those exam results.